Many of you know Frick for its complete line of industrial refrigeration equipment. We are the only manufacturer to offer heat exchangers, evaporators, condensers, compressors, vessels, and hygienic air handlers. And we tie them all together with our control systems. But there is one product we offer that is not shown here. And it's a product that touches all of these different pieces of equipment. It's the training that each technician who operates or maintains the Frick equipment needs to safely and efficiently run the system. Training of refrigeration technicians is critically important to the safety of the refrigeration system. Frick engineers and technicians have hundreds of years of experience with our equipment and its application. That reservoir of knowledge serves as the well from which we draw the online training from the Garland Center at Frick. I'm Don Faust, and I'm the training manager for Frick at the Garland Center. The Garland Center gets its name from Milt Garland, truly a legend in our industry. Milt was very good at many things. He received the ASHRAE Lifetime Achievement Award. But he wasn't good at everything. Milt was terrible at retiring. The day after he retired, he showed back up at Frick to work on patents and create a refrigeration school. He continued pursuing his passion until he was well past 100 years old. He trained and educated an entire generation of refrigeration people, and their impact on the industry is still felt today. Now, the way Milt presented information was the same way we all likely learned to read and write: in-person training. In-person training allows for students to ask questions and interact with the teacher. We've all had a great teacher at some point in our education, and in-person training is a very effective way at conveying the material. But this comes at a cost. Time away from work and travel costs make this type of training expensive. And as a result, schools keep trying to cram more and more material into less and less time. For students who are new to the industry, well, it can be like drinking from a fire hose. An alternative we have all become aware of is internet training. Online training modules are very cost-effective compared to in-person training. Students can learn at their convenience, and the time pressure of an in-person class is taken away. But the big question is, can online training be effective? We know it's cost-effective, but what factors make online training effective? In order to develop the Garland Center online, we studied online training. What can be done to make online training effective? And we found 3 best practices. Make the sessions brief. Get to the point quickly in the videos, and then get out. Large topics are divided up into many small topics. This makes it easier for learners to go back and review certain sections. And frequent testing assures that the learner is following the points of training. And since we can't rely on student-teacher interaction, information online needs to be presented visually. This is a critical component of maintaining engagement of the learner. Without this, well, it's easy to drift off. That takes us to the login screen of the school, fricktraining.com. Hey, give us a click, and we'll show you what the next generation of refrigeration training is all about. PC, iOS, and Android are all supported. Registration is free, and that will get you on our email list for notifications of promotions and new classes. And if you have any questions, send us an email. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in class.